Guys, did you guys ever thought oh, I guess we have to go down. Mm, mm, Wait. Bro, why is it snowing still? Like, look at all the snow. Dude, I lost the map. Oh, you lost the map? Your map. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, let me show you something cool. You can do this. So, it's nighttime, right? Yeah. Okay. So, in this area, we're in the second part of the. We're in the second part of the Egg Mountain, right? Yeah. Okay. So every night, this like monster will come out and lead any outsiders into his cave. Bah? Bah? Dude, why are you staring there? There's nothing to like see. Why are you staring at the sun? It's burning your eyes. Bah. There must be some like invisible force. Never mind that. We don't really care. Later that night. Bah, 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 bah. Fuck. What? What do you want? Back. Back, 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 back. What do you want? Back. There's probably nothing there. Wait. Ah. Ah. Wait, what was that sound? What? Wait. Opil is saying he can translate that monster. He's. He said, yeah, he wants us to go to the north, but he wants the Among Us to stay. What? Wait. Wait, your mom. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, time to go. Wait, what? Where? Ah! Okay. Is everybody here? Ah! Wait. That sound like a monkey. Those blocking away. Guys, we'll have to like beat him up. Okay. So the plan is, Yellowbird's starting to distract the monster. To make him fall asleep. This is when Eggy comes in to go jump over him and then get a monkey. And then if the monster wakes up, yeah, and then I'll like this. Okay, guys? Okay. Intermission, save a monkey, and get him back, and find a shorter way to say this intermission to go. So you want to fight, huh? Well, come get it. Why? Wait, he's all cookies for supper? Damn, he's all cookies for supper. He's trying to make Eggy the egg for ramen. Wait, guys. If we all team up together, nothing can stop us. Yeah, we beat the monster. Guys,